Welcome to a ProductionNet tutorial. Today we will be looking at the TLO report. The TLO stands for Total Loss Overview. This is a report that was created by our ProductionNet team. It consists of 4 different parts, which is good parts, defects, downtime, and the performance or performance loss. Here you can see the last month of the report. By hovering, you can see the different sections: good parts, defects, downtime, and performance loss. The max OEE, which is the max possible theoretical amount of good parts that could have been produced. Up here, you can see the start time and the end time. You can adjust as according to what you want to see. You can filter by tags. You can filter by work centers. You can filter by tools. You can filter by parts. And you can filter by shifts. At the bottom part of the screen, we have downtime in minutes. With the drop down, you can filter by category, reason, work center, part, and tag. There are drill down menus here. By clicking on the arrow icon, you can drill down and see, for example, here for the production category, there are the different reasons. And for the defects, we have the same. Category, reason, work center, part, and tag are the different filter options. You can also drill down, being here the category and the reasons of the defects can be seen with the hover menu. Thank you for using ProductionNet.